Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have safety gear on, now act. Begin by wiping the metal to remove dust and grit so the cleaner can contact the surface. Apply a thin, even layer of metal cleaner with a microfiber or applicator pad. Press lightly into pitted areas. Once done, let it dwell for the manufacturer-specified short time so the chemistry lifts tarnish. Make sure to avoid letting it dry hard. Keep an eye on color change as your cue to proceed. Now you move into the detailed work. Agitate the cleaner to release corrosion. Use a soft brush or microfiber in circular motions. Be firm but not abrasive to preserve finish. Once every minute or two, rinse or wipe a small test area to verify progress and avoid overpolishing. If stubborn spots remain, repeat application and scrub gently with a swab. Make sure to maintain even pressure and concentrate on pitted zones. Finish by neutralizing and rinsing the cleaner completely so no reactive residue remains. Follow the product directions precisely. Dry the metal thoroughly with a clean cloth to prevent water spots, then apply a thin protective wax or corrosion inhibitor to seal the surface. If you see streaks or remaining stains, repeat the targeted cleaning step or switch to a fine-grade metal polish for localized work. Troubleshooting tip. When a stain resists, retest on a hidden spot before stronger chemicals to avoid surface damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.